Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again and thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Click on that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I drop new videos. Thank you so much as you do that. God bless you. Today I would like to show you how you can unstake your WSG token from the previous pool and stake it in the new pool. So just try and watch this video to the end. If you have staked WSG in the old pool before, you need to unstake it so that you can stake it in the new pool. The new pool APY is higher than the old pool, and the old pool has been terminated. So you need to move it to the new pool. So just to go straight to the point, you need some BNB for transaction fee, for gas fee. So when you have small BNB for gas fee, just head straight to your Trust Wallet and go to your dApps, then come to the search box and type in WSG stake dot WSG dot GG. Sorry, dot GG. So and then you load it. So don't forget to change your Ethereum icon to Smart Chain icon. So I'll change it. I'll wait for it to load. Okay, so this is the page. So if your wallet is not connected, try to connect it at this place. You can see my own wallet address is showing. If your own wallet address is not showing there, try to connect your wallet so that your wallet address is showing like this. So after that, just scroll down. You can see please migrate your WSD token to the new single asset WSD staking pool. You understand? So now you can see you have WSG new and we have WSG old. So this is the whole pool, WSG old. So I'm going to unstake from this place now. I'll click on these details, then I'll scroll down and click on withdraw. Then I'll click on maximum. It's already on maximum already. So then I'll click on withdraw. So I will wait for the to bring transaction page. So I'll approve it and I'll activate it. So said your funds will be withdrawn once the blockchain confirms your transaction. So I will wait for the withdrawal to be successful. So I'm still waiting. So you can see success. So you have successfully withdrawn your tokens from the pool. So I can close this page now. The WSG has been withdrawn into my wallet, but the amount that I earned is yet to be claimed. So I have to claim that one separately. So I'll click on claim. I think it's because they put a stop um to the old pool. So you have to claim and you have to withdraw. So you can do either of the two. You can claim first or you can withdraw first. Anyone. So I'll wait for the transaction to be successful as well. Okay, you can see that it's successful already. So now I've claimed my WSG, the WSG that I earned, and also I have withdrawn from the old pool. So I will head straight to the new pool now. So both my staked and the end token from the old pool has been added together. So all I have to do is to go to this WSG new, click on these details, then scroll down, click on approve, approve it. I'll wait for the transaction to be successful. Okay, so the pool has been approved. So all I have to now is to stake. So I'll wait for the stake button to come on. is the network. Okay, you can see deposit. So I'll click on this deposit now. So I'll click on this deposit. And I'll click on, it's already on maximum. There's no need to click on maximum again. So I'll click on deposit and I'll approve. So deposit in progress. I'll wait for transaction to be successful. Okay, you can see that the transaction is successful. So I'll close this page. So you can see the WSG have started reading. So that is just the simple way to unstake from the old pool and stake in the new pool. So thank you so much once again for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Click on that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I drop new videos. Thank you so much and God bless you. See you again later.